Processing lets us draw lines very easily. All we have to do is specify the x and y values of the starting and ending points of the line. We do that by calling the routine line, and we hand it the x and y of the first point and the x and y of the second point. Let's see this in action. Here's a little demonstration sketch to show you how we call line. You can see at the top I'm calling the routine line. I'm handing it the x and y values of the yellow point and the x and y values of the blue point. The yellow and blue circles are just there to show us where the endpoints are and to give me something to grab with the mouse. I can turn them off and you can see we're just looking at a line. But I'll turn them back on so we can see which is which. And I'll grab this sort of dark yellow point, and you can see as I move it around, the x and y values for the yellow point change, but not the blue one. If I let go and I click on the blue point, its values change, but not the yellow. And processing doesn't care where these 2 points are with respect to each other. The blue point can be above, below, to the right, to the left of the first point, and vice versa. It just says, give me an x and a y and an x and a y, and I'll join them. Now, we've seen lines can be drawn in any color. We can also draw them with different thicknesses. So if I make it very, very fat, we get a fat line indeed. And if I turn off the circles at the ends, you can see that when the line is nice and thick, by default, it has rounded ends. This is great and very convenient. If you don't want this, if you want to change it, see the supplementary video on line caps. And you can make these line ends change from circles to a couple of other options. But the circles are great. I'm going to make the line thinner, and we can make it as thin as 1 pixel. You can't make it any thinner than that. If you wanted to draw a 0 pixel thick line, well, just don't draw any line at all. And negative values don't make any sense. So the thickness can go from 1 to any large number. I'll turn the circles back on, and we can pull the line around. So anytime you want to draw a line, just call the routine line x comma y of the first point, comma x comma y for the second point.